Okay, Dave, tell me what drives you to do this beautiful thing that you do. Your passion, everything.
Uh, that's a good question. I think it's the joy of kind of discovery each time, and there's always a different project to try,
Yeah.
a different method to use to get to your end results. And I don't know, I sort of have a
Yeah.
fascination with just simple technology. So, okay, we do this
Yeah.
nowadays. How did they used to do it? And what did they use it for? And so,
So what is the history behind that?
well, the pole lathe, it's got a long history. I mean, you go back a couple thousand years to the
Yeah.
Egyptians.